Starting a digital business in 2024 may seem daunting, especially if you have zero experience. But here is the thing, it's more accessible than ever. With the right mindset and the resources, anyone can start their own digital business, regardless of background, skill level, or age. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Dana, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs build successful online businesses without needing a ton of experience or tech skills. So, if you ever thought about starting your own business but felt overwhelmed because you didn't know how or where to start, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can start a digital business in 2024, even if you've got zero experience. So let's dive in. You may be thinking, starting a business sounds complicated. I don't have the skills for it, or I don't have enough time. But trust me, those are just myths. The most successful digital entrepreneurs started from scratch, just like you. They learned as they went, and so can you. Another common misconception is that you need a great idea to succeed, but the truth is, most successful digital businesses are built on existing idea, just executed in a unique way. The first thing you need is a mindset shift. You didn't expect that, right? Don't get stuck into the I don't know how. Instead, focus on why. Why do you want more time? Why do you want freedom? Why do you want a better work-life balance? Why are you ready to create something on your own? Why are you ready to make a change? When your focus is on your why, then the how will fall into place. It's all about taking that first step, and the rest will follow. Now, here is where it gets really exciting. You don't need to be an expert in marketing, coding, or sales because we live in the age of automation. The digital business model that I use automates most of the hard work for you. With system in place, you don't have to spend hours on the phone or cold calling people. You can literally run your business from anywhere, anytime, and let the tech do the heavy lifting. It's like having a team working behind the scenes 24/7. Another thing that makes all the difference is the community you'll be part of. Probably actually the most important thing. When you join this business model, you are not just handed a bunch of training videos and good luck. You get real-time support from a global community of business owners who are there to help you every step of the way. They've been where you are, so yes, they can help. Whether you are stuck or something, or just need that extra motivation, the community has your back. You are not alone on this. And you get a personal mentor and coach who will guide you as close as you need to see your business successful. So, if you are ready to stop dreaming and start doing, now's the time. The perfect time will never come. You just have to start. Start messy. Just start. And trust me, you'll learn as you go. The best part, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you are curious about how to start, click the link in the description and join my free info session, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your digital business up and running in no time. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's turn those dreams into reality together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep pushing forward and chasing your dreams.